Ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly generate income from the comfort of their own homes? Today, we're going to demystify that process and teach you how to build a successful sales funnel from scratch. And don't worry, you don't need to be a seasoned sales veteran to get started. The first step is identifying your target audience. Who are the people most likely to be interested in what you're offering? What are their needs, their desires, their pain points? Understanding your audience is the foundation of successful sales. Once you've got that down, it's time to move on to step 2, creating compelling content. This is your chance to grab your audience's attention and show them why they should care about what you're offering. This could be anything from blog posts to videos to social media stories, as long as it's engaging and provides value to your audience. Step 3 is all about building landing pages. These are the pages on your website where your audience can learn more about what you're offering and, most importantly, make a purchase. Your landing pages should be clear, easy to navigate, and designed to convert visitors into customers. The fourth step is collecting leads. This involves offering something of value to your audience in exchange for their email address. This could be a discount code, a free ebook, or access to an exclusive webinar. The goal is to grow your email list so you can continue to nurture these relationships and turn leads into customers. Step 5 is nurturing relationships with your leads. This is where email marketing comes into play. By sending regular, personalized emails to your list, you can build trust, provide value, and keep your audience engaged with your brand. Finally, step 6 is closing sales. This is the final hurdle in your sales funnel. Make it as easy as possible for your customers to complete their purchase with clear calls to action and a smooth checkout process. So, there you have it. 6 simple steps to build a successful sales funnel and start generating income from the comfort of your own home. It may seem daunting at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll be a sales funnel pro in no time. Remember, the key to success in any venture is persistence and patience. So don't get discouraged if things don't go perfectly right away. Keep refining your process, learning from your mistakes, and celebrating your successes. Now, it's your turn to step into the world of sales funnels and start making money like a pro. Don't forget to share your journey and successes in the comments below. And for more tips and tutorials on how to succeed in the online business world, be sure to subscribe and follow. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your goals.